The field of clinical trials is evolving and changing a lot recently, and we have been facing new challenges. And to cope with these, we have to be adaptive. Some of the innovations that have been happening and the trends that we see now are related to new types of clinical trial designs, bringing digital health technologies into use in the clinical trials.
When you move into the other side of industry, so that is not pharmaceutical, and you talk about innovation, you talk about technology, that's an issue. For a clinician and for a hospital point of view, it's very easy to go there as a pharmaceutical company and say, I have this very nice pharma drug, something that will revolutionize your treatment, that it's very easily uptaken by the doctors. On the other side, technology and innovation, it takes a bit more time to really prove themselves. And take it AI, for instance, sometimes it's very difficult still today to go to a doctor and say that I have this very nice algorithm that will help you, and the doctors will be like, what, you want the algorithm to do the job for me? And then if you integrate that when the industry needs and take their side as well into the picture, I think it helps.
We have seen many clinical trials now with digital twins, data analytics, AI is playing a crucial role. The trials are more personalized to the patient, and we use more patient-centric approaches.
We start from the beginning to involve patient in the design of our test, of screening of prostate cancer. Our biggest challenge in introducing our solution in the healthcare infrastructure is the adoption, because the healthcare system is highly resistant to change. So to facilitate this introduction, we started to have direct collaboration with the clinician and hospital to better identify what are their current needs and what the problem that we can solve.
And for the industry in general, using differentiated hospital, it's also very useful because that's where most of the patients are, so that's where you will have access to data. Same thing as pharmaceutical companies use big hospitals, that's where the big numbers are in terms of patients. So it's the same, the more differentiated the hospitals are, the better. The more volume of data, volume of patients, volume of everything you will get access to as a company, as an industry.
Collab trials bring together universities, so academia, hospitals, as well as industry. We bring together the needs of patients through the clinical teams and the healthcare professionals, and we have the interest of the industry. So this is the match that we do in order to develop the products, to develop the ideas that comes from the researchers and from the clinical needs, and push them towards the market with the support of the industry partners.